Struggling to take stunning photos with your smartphone? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Zenvo Pro Lens Kit. The Zenvo Pro Lens Kit caught my attention right away with its impressive versatility for just $51.64. If you want to enhance your mobile photography, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes both a 0.45x wide-angle lens and a 15x macro lens, which means you'll capture stunning landscapes and incredible close-ups with ease. The wide-angle lens lets you shoot 45% more of your scene, making it perfect for group shots and travel scenery. And the macro lens, it allows you to capture intricate details up close, giving your photos that extra wow factor. Plus, the included glow clip LED light adds a warm glow to your shots, helping eliminate harsh shadows. With over 5,000 units sold in the last month, clearly many users are loving this. Now, some people complained about the clip not being as sturdy as they expected. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with it, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially for the fantastic results you get. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with photography and want to elevate your shots without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something ultra-durable for extreme conditions. Honestly, for the price, it's a great value for anyone looking to up their photography game. Now, if the clip issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more secure design. Product number 2, Akoth Endoscope Camera. The Akoth Endoscope camera is a unique addition at just $27.43, designed for those who want to explore hidden spots. If you're into DIY repairs or need a handy inspection tool, this is worth considering. This camera features dual lenses and captures sharp images at 1920x1440 resolution, making it ideal for checking out tight spaces like car engines or plumbing. The 16.4FT semi-rigid cable offers flexibility while remaining sturdy, allowing you to navigate tricky areas without hassle. Plus, with IP67 waterproofing, you can dive into wet environments, just what you need if you're inspecting a leaky pipe. With over 5,000 sold recently, it's clear that DIY enthusiasts are finding it useful. However, some users mention that the app setup can be a bit clunky. Here's the thing though, once you get it working, it's a fantastic tool for getting the job done, and the initial frustration might pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you enjoy DIY projects or want an inspection camera for home repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for something purely for photography. At this price, it's a solid investment for practical uses. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for photography enthusiasts. Product number 3, fafhone Camera Lens Kit. The fafhone Camera Lens Kit is another exciting option that caught my eye at $33.56. If you want a comprehensive set of lenses, this is worth a serious look. This kit comes with 14 lenses, including a 0.63x wide-angle and a 15x macro lens, which opens up a world of creative possibilities. You'll be able to capture everything from sweeping landscapes to incredibly detailed close-ups, perfect for nature shots or food photography. The included selfie light with 7 brightness levels means you can take brilliant selfies day or night. Users have been snapping up this kit with over 500 sold recently, which speaks to its appeal. Now, some complaints noted that certain lenses can cause distortion. Here's the thing though, if you know how to adjust your angles, you can minimize this and still achieve fantastic results. This is perfect for you if you want variety in your photography and love to experiment with different effects. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward setup without the extra lenses. For the price and variety, it's pretty good value. Now, if you're looking for something even more powerful, check out this next kit. Product number 4, COSULAN Upgraded Phone Lens Kit. The COSULAN Upgraded Phone Lens Kit offers impressive features at $51.64, making it a strong contender for serious photographers. If you want to unlock the full potential of your smartphone camera, this is worth a look. The 0.67x wide-angle lens allows you to capture more without distortion, making it great for landscapes or portraits. It even includes a mini tripod to stabilize your shots, which is a game changer for capturing images on the go. This set has garnered over 400 purchases recently, indicating a solid reputation among users. Some users mention that the tripod feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, if you're careful, it does the job and allows for some great photography, especially during travel. This is perfect for you if you're a budding photographer who wants to experiment with different styles. Skip this one if you need a super heavy-duty setup. Honestly, the features for this price are excellent. Now, if you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers, let's talk about the last one on my list. Product number 5, Meow Lab 5-in-1 Lens Kit. The Meow Lab 5-in-1 Lens Kit is a fantastic budget option at just $28.40, perfect for those looking to get into mobile photography. If you want decent quality without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. The lenses are made with high-quality optical glass to ensure clarity and reduce reflections, so your photos will look great. It's incredibly user-friendly and compatible with a wide range of smartphones. With around 400 units sold, it's clear that many are happy with their purchase. However, some reviews pointed out that the clip can be tricky to adjust. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's easy to use and you'll enjoy the creative effects it brings. This is perfect for you if you're new to smartphone photography and want to experiment. Skip this if you need top-tier quality for professional work. Honestly, for the price, you get a lot of fun and creativity. That wraps up my list. I hope you found something that sparks your interest. We've covered a lot of ground with these 5 smartphone camera lenses. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Zenvo Pro Lens Kit because it offers the best balance of features and quality for casual and serious photographers alike. Avoid the Acoth endoscope camera if you're strictly looking for photography use, as it's more of a practical tool. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.